So I do a lot of video calls and a lot of video conferencing, and the biggest issue that I have is lighting, by far. Sometimes I'm too dark, I can't see myself, I don't feel as good because I don't look as good. So what I did was I found Lume Cube, call it a video conference light. So far the boxing looks super sleek. So this is how it looks coming straight out of the box. Yep, so this is really cool. Not a lot of parts. I don't like putting things together, so this is great. It comes with this soft gel that you can see right here, and I'm assuming that is to make the light a little bit softer. So this right here is the on button. Cool, so it looks like you have to hold it down for 2 to 3 seconds. Also, this is one of the toggles to adjust. This is adjusting the brightness, and then, yep, so I'm able to adjust the temperature as well, which is really, really cool. So I'm going to see if this mounts. So let's see, let's check this out. Boom, stays right up, which is amazing. And then I'm gonna go ahead and turn this back on. It's got some amazing brightness. It's not hurting my eyes, which is crazy. So I have FaceTime up right now, and I will share my screen with you all so you can see the before and after, because it is a world of difference. So straight out the gate, I absolutely love this light. It's simple, it's easy to use, it mounts well, it's not distracting. I would recommend this to absolutely anybody.